Dive into the world of seamless social media management with the top tools of the trade. In this video, we explore software that simplifies content creation, scheduling, and analytics. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, these tools will revolutionize your social media game. Watch now to level up your strategy. Hello, social media enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the essential tools that will transform your social media game. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or a budding influencer, these tools are the secret sauce to effortless social media management. Let's jump right in. From content creation to scheduling and analytics, we've got you covered. Get ready to explore the tools of the trade that will take your social media strategy to the next level. Content creation wizards. First up, let's talk about the heartbeat of social media, content creation. We'll introduce you to software that turns your ideas into eye-catching visuals and engaging posts. Say goodbye to mundane content and hello to the creation wizards. Certainly, here's a list of some of the best software for content creation, covering a range of needs from graphic design to video editing. Adobe Creative Cloud. Adobe Creative Cloud offers a suite of applications, including Photoshop for image editing, Illustrator for vector graphics, and Premiere Pro for video editing. It's an industry standard for professionals. Canva is a user-friendly graphic design platform suitable for beginners and professionals. It offers templates for social media graphics, presentations, posters, documents, and other visual content. Trello. Similar to Canva, Trello provides an easy-to-use design platform with customizable templates for various content types, including social media posts, animations, and more. Pixlr is a web-based photo editing tool with a user-friendly interface. It's great for quick edits and adjustments and offers features similar to traditional graphic design software. InVideo is a video creation platform that simplifies the video editing process. It offers templates, stock footage, and a user-friendly interface for creating engaging videos. Viant is an animation software that allows users to create animated videos easily. It's ideal for creating explainer videos, presentations, and other animated content. Final Cut Pro. Final Cut Pro X is a professional video editing software for Mac users. It provides advanced features for video editing, motion graphics, and more. Wondershare Filmora is a user-friendly video editing software suitable for beginners. It offers a range of features for creating and editing videos. Remember to choose software based on your specific needs and the type of content you aim to create. Each tool has its unique features and learning curves, so explore and find the one that fits your preferences and skills. Scheduling savvy. Managing multiple platforms can be overwhelming. Fear not, we're showcasing scheduling apps that allow you to plan your posts in advance. Save time, stay consistent, and keep your audience engaged with these scheduling savvies. Certainly, here's a list of scheduling apps that can help you plan and manage your social media posts. Buffer is a popular social media scheduling tool that allows you to plan and schedule posts for various platforms, including Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Hootsuite is a comprehensive social media management platform that includes scheduling features. It supports a wide range of social networks and provides analytics tools. Later is a scheduling app specifically designed for Instagram. It allows you to visually plan and schedule posts, and it also supports other platforms like Twitter and Facebook. CoSchedule is a marketing calendar that integrates with various platforms. It provides scheduling features along with collaborative tools for marketing teams. Sprout Social. Sprout Social is a social media management platform that includes scheduling capabilities. It also offers analytics and engagement tools. Meetgar is a social media scheduling tool that focuses on content recycling. It allows you to schedule and reshare evergreen content. Analytics unveiled. Ever wondered how your content is performing? Analytics are the key to understanding your audience and improving your strategy. Join us as we unveil tools that provide in-depth insights into your social media performance. Certainly! Here's a list of analytics tools that can help you analyze and measure the performance of your social media efforts. Google Analytics is a comprehensive web analytics tool that can be integrated with your website. It provides insights into user behavior, traffic sources, and conversions from social media. If you're active on Facebook, Insights is a built-in tool that provides detailed analytics about your page's performance, audience engagement, and post reach. Twitter Analytics offers data on tweet performance, engagement, and audience demographics. It helps you understand how your tweets are resonating with your audience. Instagram Insights is the analytics feature for business accounts on Instagram. It provides data on post performance, audience demographics, and more. LinkedIn provides analytics for business pages, offering insights into post engagement, follower demographics, and page views. Pinterest Analytics allows you to track the performance of your pins, understand your audience, and see which content is resonating on the platform. YouTube Analytics. YouTube Analytics provides data on video performance, viewer demographics, and engagement metrics. It's crucial for tracking the success of your video content. Sprout Social. In addition to its scheduling features, Sprout Social offers social media analytics, including engagement, audience demographics, and post performance. Strategy enhancement. A successful social media strategy requires planning and adaptability. We'll introduce tools that help you analyze trends, understand your audience, and enhance your overall marketing strategy. Get ready to take your digital presence to new heights. Here's a list of tools that assist in trend analysis. Google Trends allows you to explore the popularity of search queries over time. It provides insights into the interest and seasonality of various topics. Trend Hunter is a platform that tracks and analyzes emerging trends across various industries. It's a valuable resource for staying ahead of the curve. BuzzSumo helps you discover trending content and understand what topics are gaining traction on social media platforms. It's useful for content creators and marketers. Hashtagify is a tool for tracking and analyzing the popularity and trends of hashtags on Twitter and Instagram. It helps users discover relevant hashtags, exploding topics, identifies and tracks emerging trends on the internet. It's a useful tool for discovering topics gaining popularity. These tools cater to different aspects of trend analysis, from search queries and social media discussions to consumer behavior and industry-specific insights. Depending on your needs, you can choose the tool that aligns with your goals and objectives. And there you have it, the tools of the trade for effortless social media management. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of social media mastery.